Here we're going to look at the example from your lecture video on constructing a probability distribution. This is the one where the owner of the mid-sized company wanted to figure out the morale of the employees and gave a survey. We have our responses listed here and our frequency here. So I went ahead and I had that sum. So all I did to find this sum was equal sum, and then I highlighted my frequencies because we need that to find the probability. So P of X. Now I'm going to use cell referencing so that I can figure out those probabilities. So equals 27 over the 200. And you can either type 200, or if you're going to select that B7, I don't want Excel to drag that down. So I'm going to actually put dollar signs around the B, and now it will keep that B7 the same. And when I drag down, I would then have my probabilities, and you can see B7 didn't change in any of those. Okay, we also, to check if it's a probability distribution, need the sum of all the probabilities. So I'm going to do equal sum and highlight, and we get 1. You also can see that those probabilities are between 0 and 1, and of course our responses were numerical. So that's how you can create a probability distribution in Excel.